This is the biggest grocery haul we have done all year, you guys. We hit up Costco and Real Canadian Superstore and the bill was insane. Everything that we bought today, of course, is vegan and gluten-free. So you'll be able to see what a vegan gluten-free couple shops for and basically what you can get for what we paid at Costco and Superstore. Today we shopped for so many things because we wanted to stock up for the next 2 or so weeks because right now it's December, it's the holidays, and the stores are crazy busy. There's people everywhere and I don't want to have to shop every week and get stuck in the madness of the holiday rush. So we wanted to do a big shop today, stock up, and make sure that we are good to go for at least a couple weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna start off and just kind of blitz right through all of our fresh fruits and veggies, all the produce. So we got some fresh cranberries, which I'm stoked to make some like cranberry sauce with, you know, for the holidays. We got some Brussels sprouts, we got broccoli and celery. We also got a big bag of spinach and some bell peppers. We got radishes, oranges. I got an onion, some fresh garlic, and some fresh rosemary. Always gotta have some fresh rosemary on hand for the season. And we also got a bag of apples and some bananas. And we got a big carton of grape tomatoes and a carton of baby Bella mushrooms. For the fridge staples and the pantry items, I got some vegan basil margarine and also a pound of vegan butter. We got some instant coffee, which I've actually never bought before, but I have some like recipes in mind and baked goods that I really want to use it for, so that'll be fun, stay tuned. Got another large thing of maple syrup. Costco's the only place I buy it because it's the best deal around anywhere. We got some plant-based cream cheese. We've got a few containers of sun butter that mostly Brad eats because he doesn't eat peanuts or peanut butter. Ooh, we also got a jar of shakshuka. Love this for a quick and easy meal. I'll just heat it up in a skillet with some tofu scramble and it is such a good easy lunch, breakfast, or dinner actually. Yeah. It's just great. I completely ran out of all of my veggie stock cubes and Better Than bouillon, so I restocked on a big jar of that Better Than bouillon vegetable broth base. It is so delicious. And I also got another thing of garlic powder because I go through that stuff like it's nobody's business, and some cinnamon. Especially this time of year, I go through cinnamon really fast. Beyond Beef was also on sale. This wasn't at Costco, it was at another local grocery store, Real Canadian Superstore, so I got it because it was a good deal and it also makes for really quick, easy, plant-based meals, lunches, dinners. We got nuts, lots of nuts. We got some hazelnuts, which I've been actually using a lot of lately because I've been making all sorts of vegan homemade Nutella, and if you haven't seen my recipe video for that, make sure you check that out right up here. It is so good. It is definitely going to be on my list of little homemade gifts that I'm going to be giving away for Christmas, which I also have a video on that too if you want to check that out right up here as well. Always got to have cashews because I use that a lot to make like cream sauces, cream cheeses, all sorts of good stuff. We got a couple cartons of organic soy milk from Silk, as well as these wholly veggie products. Now, I'm not sure if this is just a thing that's available in like Canada, but maybe if it's in the US, you should check it out. They are really good. We got some of these like cheddar and jalapeno bites, especially right now, just with how crazy things get for us during the holidays, as a lot of you can probably relate. It's so nice to have just some quick frozen items you can pop in your oven or air fryer and add them to your lunch or dinner, or just have them as a quick snack. So they're on sale. I couldn't pass it up. And they're so good. We got a big case of coconut milk. Always get that at Costco. It is such a good deal, and I go through so much coconut milk over the span of a couple weeks, so always a good deal. And I also got some tofu, organic tofu from Costco. I really love their tofu. It's so like soft, even though it says it's extra firm, it actually is more like a firm. And if you agree with me and you buy your tofu from Costco, let me know. I don't think they should label it as extra firm, but whatever. Their hummus at Costco, also very nice. So we got a double pack of that. We also got a bag of little sweet potatoes, and we restocked on our favorite coffee, which is ethical bean. Now, I also got a really large bag of prunes. Now, don't judge me, but I've really been getting into prunes lately, and I've actually been using them in some baked goods, and they're a nice replacement for medjool dates if you don't have dates on hand, but you need like a sweet, sticky, natural sweetener that you can like blend up and stuff. It's just really nice. So yeah, got a big bag of prunes. We got a few bags of Daya mozzarella cheese shreds. You guys know that I always have to have cheese in the house because it just is great. pizzas, lasagnas, pastas, nachos, all those things. Now, this is a new discovery we recently made at Costco. These little soups by Allen's, they are so good. They come in a pack of 6 and they are really good for quick, easy lunches or meals. Sometimes Brad and I just do not have time to cook if I've been, ironically, filming all day or I've been out and about and I just need a quick meal. These cauliflower chickpea soups are so nice. I highly recommend you look for them if you can find them. And for some quick, easy snacking, we got some more tortilla chips. We got 2 different kinds. We got one slightly healthier looking kind from Costco, which is like this multi-grain tortilla chip, and we just got regular corn tortilla chips from Superstore. And then we also grabbed this little baguette. Actually, it's a 2-pack of baguettes. They're gluten-free, vegan. I plan on using them in some upcoming recipes, so stay tuned. I may be making a crostini type situation. And yeah, we got those at another grocery store. We did a lot of running around today, guys. It was like a whole 2-hour ordeal. This hefty item right here is apple cider. I don't know if you can see it. I will hold it up to the camera. This stuff is so good, you guys. This is the second time I've bought this from Costco. It's not like alcoholic apple cider. It's like the Christmas cider, like, you know, the spiced apple cider. It is so good, you guys. It is hella high in sugar, I will say. Natural sugar, albeit, but ooh, it is good. It is so good, cold or even hot. And if you want to even like mix a little bit of rum into a mug of hot apple cider, oh my God, that will warm you up like nobody's business. Highly recommend you give that a try. We also got some marinara sauce. Now, we like these just because, you know, easy peasy meals. I don't always feel like making my own homemade pasta sauces, so it's just a good deal. A good idea to always have a few jars of pasta sauce on hand. And then lastly, we got some tortillas. I got these at Superstore. I get them all the time. You guys have seen them on the channel in all sorts of videos and recipes. The receipts. You guys, we spent almost $400 Canadian today between Costco and Superstore, which is about $295 to $300 US. And it was a big shop, you can see that. And basically, most of these items will last us for hopefully 2-ish weeks, but some of them will last us longer, like some of the pantry and fridge staples that last you for a month or more. So I would say, hopefully we won't have to go to another grocery store, at least until maybe near the end of December, and that will probably bring our total monthly grocery bill for the month of December to around $600, which is pretty on point for us. That's about how much we spend on a monthly basis. I hope you guys enjoyed this vegan and gluten-free grocery haul from Costco and Superstore in Canada. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below because I do grocery hauls at least once a month, so make sure you don't miss them. Make sure you stick around and watch this next video right here. I hope you have a great day and I will catch you guys in another video.